Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Dropbox. If you want to log into Dropbox, then it's simple whether you are using mobile device, tablet or desktop. First of all, launch open your Dropbox application on your device and then in the welcome screen, select the sign in option. You can sign in using your Google account, Apple ID or continue signing in with your email address. Go ahead and choose the option that you previously selected while creating an account for Dropbox. Since I chose the email option to sign up, I'm gonna have to enter the email. Type down your email address associated with Dropbox and tap on Continue. On the next page, type down your password associated with your account in the text box. Finally, tap on the Sign In button. And there you have successfully logged in to Dropbox. You are now ready to manage your files from your desktop or laptop. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.